The ODTA registry has been deployed on the Rinkeby network. So you see the command truffle migrate minus minus network Rinkeby. So you see that it's a dry run migration simulation first. So here, and then we see the migration here happening, initial contract, and then this ODTA validator contract, which has been deployed at this address. So this is the public address of the ODTA registry on the Rinkeby network. So if we take this address and paste it here to the Rinkeby, so you see I have pasted here to the Rinkeby browser. You see we see here the contract address, and we see the transaction happened 6 minutes ago from this account, which is well the account I control. So as you can see here, I'm connected on Rinkeby. My account 1 is starting with 07C58, and you see 7C58, meaning the ODTA contract has been set up and deployed on Rinkeby. As information, in order to do this, you need to install the npm truffle hardware wallet, and then I have used Infer as HTTP gateway to connect to Rinkeby. So you see here, then you need to use a secret file dot secret here and insert there the mnemonic of your wallet. Don't do this in production. And here you see that I simply define as network Rinkeby with the mnemonic and the infura URL. To find your Rinkeby API, you need to log on infura.io. Then when you're on this, you can create a project like I have done here. And as you can see in the settings here, if I select the Rinkeby, I have the URL plus the access key here. So I simply copy this and put it inside here, you see, at this location. So simple than that. Now it's deployed on Rinkeby and we can interact with it.